Alright, this is the test of the new 360 Motorcycle Kit mount. This mount is actually for the handlebars on a motorcycle, and I have it actually attached to my headrest post on my seat in my truck, and it looks like it works very good. Very good angle, nice wide angle view. Yeah, this will come in handy for those off-road trails that my friends and I go to. A little bit of like a in-cabin footage, you know, first-person view. So you know what, this works out pretty good. Nice little attachment. I don't have a motorcycle, but I thought I'd pick this one up because I do have an e-bike, and I used this mount on my e-bike, and now I found another purpose for it. Works good.